So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. So, we have the angel coach Abhipsa Das, and we have Joaquim Picardo. He's 60 years and he's from Mumbai. He's a hotelier. And the health issues that has been reversed is he was having high BP and diabetes. He was taking medicine from 4 years. For BP, he was taking Telme 120. For diabetes, metformin. He's off medication in 3 weeks of the treatment. मतलब 21 दिन के अंदर 4 साल पर हमारी diabetes BP gone. He was having constipation from 3 years, acidity 5 years, gastric issues, he says, reduced almost 50-60%, and vertigo from 1 year, he says 80% improvement, and the journey is still going. So let's come to Joaquim. Joaquim, over to you, and thank you so much for coming. And how has been your journey? So yeah, you are unmuted, you can speak.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Joaquim Picardo from Bombay. I'm a hotelier. I just started your 1.5 months back your journey to know my illness, and it has been a remarkable journey. My coach Pipasa, she's helped me all the way, and I had a lot of problems. I mostly do evening shifts, and I have problem with my sleep problems. But in spite of that, in spite of so many hurdles, I have my medication for my BP and my diabetes is stopped, and it's constipation, gas problem, and these all are signs that I just thought that these medicines I have to live with it. But now I know that work is in progress, and I'm getting better and better every day. And I thank you also. I thank Vipasha. I had so many problems, but still I don't know how I managed the diet problem. Because I have shifts, and very difficult for me at work to adjust to this diet problem. But still I managed. I used to get up late in the morning. So she convinced me to carry on and stay in the program. And now I'm finding myself very good, much better and positive. And I am looking forward to the day that there will be no medicines to take. And I'm sure that everything will be okay.
Yes.
I'm positive.
Yes, it will be. Thank you so much, Joaquim. And let's come to the angel coach, Abhipsa, if you can just unmute yourself. Yeah, over to you.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, Vishal sir. Good evening, Joaquim. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, even to become a healer also, not only to deliver this testimony, not only to treat him. So I come from Odisha, and I am an engineer, electrical engineer turned naturopath, numerologist, graphologist, art therapist, many more on the way to go. I love learning. I love doing research work, especially when it comes to health factor. So coming to Joaquim, and I would say, he was having strong determination. And he was having the one willpower in him was that I want to become medicine free, and I want to make the world medicine free. So he have already started spreading about naturopathy. There are people who come into his circle and they don't agree to whatever he says.
Right.
But still then he is on that path. And I do believe wherever there is strong determination and the action is taken, anybody can win that battle.
Right.
So all the very best to you, and you have done great work following all those whatever I have provided to you. I would say the biggest challenge which came in his life was his work schedule, because most of the time he is having night shifts.
Right.
So waking up late and sleeping cycle was, as he told, the sleeping cycle was totally disturbed. So in the very beginning he told, okay, will I be able to follow naturopathy, but I want to become medicine free. Doctors have told me that you should take BP and diabetes medicine for lifelong. But I have heard from Vishal sir that you all coaches treat the patients in a very easier, very smoother way. Your behavior is very good. So even behavior also matters when it comes to healing.
Right.
So I do feel I might overcome all these things. Let's see. When I published the first diet plan,
Mhm.
he said, "Oh my goodness, it is so simple. Yeah, let's move on." So it was
Amazing.
everything about his journey. Thank you so much for having this confidence in you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Joaquim. Thank you so much, Abipsa. Everybody just type NPTY. So, Joaquim, you have to be medicine for the rest of your life. That's the commitment that we need from your side. Yeah. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much, Abipsa. Thank you so much.